So you're probably watching this video because you sell products as a digital marketer online. You launch WSOs, launch products on your own sales sites, and more, and you've likely figured out by now that most existing solutions to sell and protect your content are, well, a bit cumbersome. You see, most existing membership plugins and scripts aren't made for you and I, specifically as digital marketers. Maybe you've tried Wishlist Member, Digital Access Pass, or even S2 Member and have been a bit disappointed in the results that you've gotten. Like one desperate warrior who recently wrote me, "Brian, I just bought Wishlist, $297, started setting everything up to run my upcoming launch just to find out Wishlist couldn't handle a simple sales funnel, and there's a host of other issues." As opposed to this happy warrior who just ran their latest WSO on WarriorPress and got WSO of the day, WarriorPress performed nicely and so far has put 500 plus members through without a problem. And they ran their WSO on JVZoo, had a front-end product and 2 upsells and a ton of content to deliver in their members area. WarriorPress runs like a champ and can be set up with all of that in less than an hour. That's because WarriorPress was created from the ground up by 2 marketers with over 13 years of combined marketing experience, and who have sold over $10 million in digital products online, having run multiple 6-figure launches and even the coveted 7-figure launch. Hey fellow marketer, Brian McConaughey here on behalf of my partner Alex Goad, and in the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to show you a membership software that simplifies your life and actually makes you more money. Saves you a boatload of time, optimizes your sales funnel, and yes, even gets you more affiliate partners to promote each and every product that you launch with WarriorPress. And why, if you use anything else to launch your products and WSOs in the future, you'll likely end up losing your time and money. And I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on this software for 1/5 of the price of most existing solutions. And I want to keep that promise, so we're going to jump right into it by me demonstrating exactly what your customers will experience if you use WarriorPress. With WarriorPress, you can forget about overbloated member plugins that have a ton of options but for some reason still can't do what we marketers need them to do. Easily set up and sell any product online, so all you really need to worry about is making more money, build incredible member sites quickly and without a bunch of technical knowledge, sharpen your sales and conversions with a hyper-optimized sales funnel that your membership script will never again compromise, spend less time on support and more time creating and delivering great products, keep senseless refund rates in the basement so you can actually keep all the money you just made, boost your member retention rates with professional member areas and incredible features like sequential drip feed content, and have a whole bunch of people saying good things about you and your products wherever they go. All without wasting a bunch of time and money on other bulky solutions that talk a good game but simply can't deliver even half of what I've just listed here. WarriorPress is the new go-to tool for digital internet marketers. And in this live demo, I'm going to show you exactly why. So here we are at the Warrior Forum, and I thought what better way to demonstrate what WarriorPress can do than to actually make a purchase and show you how smooth and effortless it really is when you run your product launch or you sell your product with WarriorPress. Now, running WSOs is just one of the many ways WarriorPress makes your life easy, but it also works for all your product launch needs, whether you're running a WSO or you're selling a product through ClickBank on your own site, for example. WarriorPress integrates with 5 top payment and sales systems, including JVZoo, WSO Pro, ClickBank, PayPal, and Nanicast, and we're adding new ones on request. Now imagine for a second that I'm your customer and I'm going to buy your product. The following is how a successful and professional transaction should go. So now I'm going to click the order button and it takes me off to ClickBank. I'm just going to fill in my information and I'll be right back. So I just filled in my information, I'm on the ClickBank confirmation page, and I'm going to click the button to complete my order. And bang, now I land on the dynamic WarriorPress thank you page. Now let's note that this thank you page could be anything. It could be a thank you page just like this. It could be an OTO upsell sales pitch. It doesn't matter, WarriorPress can handle it. In this instance, I have all my info right here in front of my face, so I absolutely cannot miss it even if I tried. But that's not all. WarriorPress also delivers professionally written, customizable emails. So if I hop on over to Gmail, and I check my inbox, there it is, my welcome email. I open it up It thanks me as a customer, delivers my login details again, and these kind of customizable emails go out each time a customer buys a core product, an upsell product, or if a refund has been processed, basically letting them know that it's been completed. It's almost a built-in support apparatus, or at least a very good foundation. I'm just going to grab my password, come to the login screen, fill in my email, fill in my password, and log in. Now you have to pay attention and watch very carefully, and you probably didn't even notice it, but since I set up WordPress to integrate with my Aweber account, I was just subscribed to the list that I integrated for this product in member level. Now that's cool because you don't have to hassle your customer with another form to fill in before they access their content and access the members area. So here I am, your customer in your member area, all logged in, extremely happy and ready to consume the content. So what I just showed you is the essence of WordPress, but you might be wondering, how easy is it to set something up like that? What does WordPress look like on the inside? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now, and you'll be delighted to find out that WordPress is defined by its simplicity. So here we are on the WordPress dashboard, and if we navigate to the access level section, this is where you can set up an access level for your membership. This is the equivalent of a product that you want to sell to get members into your membership site. You can set up an access level by filling in just 3 fields here, and then once you've got an access level set up, you can edit the level by clicking the edit level link under the level name. Once you click the edit level link, you'll land on the access level overview page. Here you can fill in your support email address if you have one, and your support desk URL. After that, you can tab through the access level sections to complete the setup of your level. So if I now click on payment integration, it's going to take me to the payment integration page, where it can integrate WordPress with each of the 5 supported payment and sales systems. Remember, that's ClickBank, PayPal, WSO Pro, Nanocast, and JVZoo. For each, there's a simple field or 2 fields to fill out, and then on the right in the yellow, you have everything that you need to integrate with the particular sales system of your choice. Then I can go to the autoresponder section and integrate my autoresponder. This is very simple, just a couple of fields to fill out, and you're set up and hooked up into your autoresponder. And lastly, you'll just want to go to the content access section, where you choose which content members in this level should have access to. This is very simple. You can choose by post, by page, or by category. And if you select by post, by page, or by category, your options update automatically. Once you've done that, you've completely set up an access level on your membership site and you're ready to sell a product. You can also go through and go to sequential upgrades, where you can deliver fresh content automatically to your members based on a time period of your choice. You can also set up the system emails. These are emails that go out to your customers whenever they buy a product or when a refund is processed, for example. There's the advanced delivery options that support SMTP, or you can just use the default WordPress mail function and there's nothing else to set up. In the core and upgrade email section, this is where you can determine the content of the emails that go out to your customers. WordPress comes preloaded with professionally written templates that we use on all of our launches. So if you don't feel like writing out these templates, you already have them for you. And lastly, in the users panel, you can manage all of your users. You can add a new member and even notify them by email and add custom messages. Or you can simply move members throughout your member site with the easy member management panel. And that's it. WordPress is extremely simple to set up, isn't overbloated with a bunch of options that we'll never use, and is so simple that anybody can get up and running in under an hour, guaranteed. And remember, I promised you that WordPress would make you more money and get you even more affiliates for each and every product that you're selling? Well, here's how. Here we are back in the WordPress dashboard, and when you get WordPress, you're going to notice a section called WordPress Community Launches. Now if you're a WordPress user, you have the right to add your latest launch or product to this list that then shows just like this in the dashboard of hundreds and hundreds of other WordPress users. Which means that with every product that you launch, you instantly get exposure to hundreds of active potential affiliates that are constantly on the search for good products to promote. And the number of WordPress users is only growing larger each and every day. And that's because smart marketers realize that WordPress is finally the answer to an ongoing problem that until now, digital marketers like you and I just had to deal with. So if you're ready to break through all the noise and start using a simple solution that was made especially for and by marketers like you and me, then you can do so starting today for about 1/5 of the price of our closest competitor. You can get your first WordPress member site up and running today for just $19.95. Then if you're interested and satisfied with WordPress, you can upgrade your account to unlimited status for just $57 in the members area. A drop in the bucket compared to Wishlist, which is $297, Digital Access Pass, which is another $297, and the many others with similar pricing. Just click the Add to Cart button below to get started, and I guarantee that you'll be overly impressed with WordPress and the results that you get by using it. And remember, you're covered by our no questions asked 60-day money-back guarantee. We guarantee you'll be over the moon about WordPress, or we'll give your money back. So go ahead, get started today. My name is Brian McConaughey, and on behalf of my partner Alex Goad, thanks for watching this short demo and video, and we hope to see you on the inside.